Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple audio to Instagram Reels. So first step you need to do is to open Instagram, and once you open, click on plus icon in the bottom, click on Reel, and once you are here on the reel you simply need to create a reel. So I'm going to create a reel for example. Okay, so now it is created. So go on to the next step and scroll up, and here you can see an option, tap to add audio. So click here and add audio. For example, I add this audio, and here you can see that for some countries there is an option available in the bottom to add audio again. So here you can see that currently I have add text clip, and here there is a new option, add audio. So you simply need to click on that and add another audio here. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.